In the presence of my enemies, a table waits for me, set by hands that never falter, spread with grace eternally. God sits close beside my chair, his eyes so kind, so true. He whispers, "Child, keep looking here, for all you need is in my view." But softly comes another voice, a shadow draped in lies. He offers seeds of compromise. He clouds my heart, my eyes. I listen for a fleeting while, and hunger fills my soul. The feast before me fades away. The emptiness takes hold. Then gently comes a touch so near, a whisper calm and mild. My love has never left your side. Come home to me, my child. Ashamed, I bowed my head in shame. Yet mercy lifts my face. For me, the bread and cup still wait, unmoved, still full of grace. I see with eyes no longer blind, the truth now shining through. The enemy's words were fleeting dust, but God's word stands anew. So I will sit where He has called and feast though darkness stares, for what my Father's table holds is life beyond compare. Let the enemy linger, let him see, he cannot take my place. For the table God prepared for me is sealed with endless grace.